Hey, how's it going? Thanks for joining me. Well, I was trying to do some dispersed camping, but it's hunting season, so every site I went to was full. So I am just at a little rustic campground here. It's pretty nice, actually. Good size. Looks like we got a path down to the lake. Well, anyways, I am going to start getting set up. Well, hello, Miss May. What are you doing in here, huh? How baby girl? Right there. Alrighty, well, it's late. I'm gonna start cooking dinner. Well, we are having steak and asparagus. I think this is like Montreal steak. I don't know. Do some Cajun on the asparagus. Mmm, delicious. We're gonna go check out the lake. Take a little walk down there. Oh, we got a nice little dock. All right, Murdoch, I'm not gonna walk through there. Now, Murdoch, what are you eating? What are you eating? So I brought my bike. I was planning on dispersed camping, but like I mentioned earlier, it's hunting season, so I got tired of looking for an open site. But anyways, I was going to go for a bike ride. However, since I ended up having to find a campground to stay in, apparently I picked a site that is a reservable site. I didn't even know sites were reservable at these rustic campgrounds. It's the type where you just pay at the pole. So, but they have a green note on the post saying it's a reservable site. So if someone shows up with a reservation, I have to leave. So I didn't want to unload my bike because I might have to leave. All right, where are you taking me? Might have to leave at any given moment if someone shows up. So I don't want to have a whole lot of stuff I need to pack up in case I need to rush out of here. Oh, we're gonna, okay. Yep, you tell me where to go, Murdoch. Okay, we're gonna have a simple dinner tonight, but that doesn't mean it's not gonna be delicious. We got some buffalo chicken breast, deli meat, with some, I believe it's Swiss singles, and then the bread is everything bread, sourdough, and it's delicious, even just by itself. But anyways, we're gonna make paninis out of that. And then we're going to have some chips and guacamole to go with it. Delicious. was a relaxing trip. Hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. But before you go, I've got one last thing to show you. Some of you may have seen the Outask lamp that I was using, if you're familiar with it. If you're not familiar with it, this is it. It's a tripod lamp. Oops. Telescopic, and the light head rotates. Now I've made a couple of improvements to it with some light filters. They do sell some cone style light filters that just pop on the top like this one, but these work together to give you more versatility in your setup. For instance, you can use the cone filter just like their cone filters. It just pops right on top. Now another option is to pop this on, bring it down real low, and bam, lantern mode. If you want, you can bring it up. It cuts down on the brightness in your eyes, but still provides plenty of light down on the table that you're working on. The cone filter nests right on top so you don't lose it. And then there's two other options. You can have it going upright just like that with just the lantern filter, or toss the cone filter on there, and that provides a nice area light. And as you can see, it comes in two different colors to give you both warm and cool light tones. And on top of everything, it all nests together so you don't lose it. And it even fits in the Molly case with the extension that I made. And you can still convert it to flashlight mode if you need to. Alright, well, if you want to pick any of these up, I'm going to be selling them individually or as a package on my website, sfarco.com. That's SFARCO.com. And while you're at it, you might want to pick up one of these sweet hats too. Just a suggestion. Alright, I'll see you guys next time.